What's the meaning of camping site? Camping site. Camping site.
Camping site. Camping site. A camping site is a designated outdoor area where people can pitch tents, park recreational vehicles or camper vans, or rent cabins or yurts for overnight stays. Camping sites may offer basic amenities such as fire pits, picnic tables, and toilets, or more advanced facilities such as electricity, showers, and laundry services. These sites are usually located in natural settings, such as national parks, forests, or beaches, and are popular destinations for outdoor enthusiasts who want to enjoy nature, perform outdoor activities, and spend time with family and friends.